Good morning, students. How are you? As we discussed, our last geography chapter number 1 environment finished in Zoom meeting. So here I discuss all the question answers of chapter number 1 environment in detail. Please listen and watch them carefully. Now, question number 1, what is an ecosystem? All plants, animals, and human beings depend on their immediate surroundings. They are also interdependent on each other. This relation between the organisms as well as the relation between the their surroundings form an ecosystem. It means we are dependent on animals and animals depend on us. For example, cow and buffalo depend on us for food and we are depend on them for milk. This is how ecosystem works. Is it clear, students? So now our next question is, what do you mean by natural environment? And natural environment consists of land, water, air, plants and animals. Thus, natural environment refers to both biotic and abiotic conditions that exist on the earth. It means biotic means living organisms and abiotic means non-living organisms, and in natural environment consist both. Is it clear, students? Okay. Now our third question is, which are the major components of environment? The major components of the environment are natural, including land, air, water, living things; human made, like buildings, parks, bridges, roads, industries, monuments, etc. and human, including individuals, families, community, religion, educational, economics, etc. So these are the major components of environment. It is also available in your textbook as a diagram. So please refer the diagram carefully for this answer. You can write it down on your own word also. Please don't go by line to line. You can just keep main points in your mind. Now question number 4. Give 4 examples of human-made environment. 4 examples of human-made environment are buildings, park, bridges and road. It is very easy answer. You can write it down in your own and put some more example on this. Yes. Now question number 5. What is lithosphere? Lithosphere is the solid crust or the hard top layer of the earth. It is made up of rocks and minerals and covered by a thin layer of soil. It is an irregular surface with various landforms such as mountains, plateaus, plains, valleys, etc. It means whatever we see on earth like buildings, parks, hospitals, roads, it is on lithosphere only. Okay, students? So now our next question is, which are the 2 major components of biotic environment? Plants and animals are the 2 major components of biotic environment. You can add your own example also in this answer. Now our last question is, what is biosphere? Biosphere is a narrow zone of the earth where land, water and air interact with each other to support life. Thus, plant and animal kingdom together make biosphere. For example, the living world. This answer is beautifully described in textbook as a diagram. So you can also go through this diagram for better understanding, and you can draw also in this answer. Okay students, so the biosphere is nothing else but it consists of all the sphere like atmosphere, hydrosphere and lithosphere. This combination of three spheres are called biosphere. Is it clear? And we live in this very small biosphere. Is it clear? Okay students, here our all the question answers are covered. You can write it down in your own word also and just keep the main points of the answer, and then you can write, because you are right now in 7th standard, so you can write in your own word also. Okay students, bye, take care.